Dear Goenkans, this video lecture is in continuation with Chapter 17, Reproduction in Animals, which is on page number 82 of your EVS textbooks. So, take out your EVS textbooks and open page number 82. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss about life cycle of animals and the life cycle of a fish. So, what is life cycle? Yes, a life cycle is defined as series of changes that occur during an organism's lifetime. We can also say a life cycle is defined as the developmental stage that occur during an organism's lifetime. A life cycle ends when an organism dies. In general, plants and animals go through three basic stages in their life cycle, starting from fertilized egg or seed, which develops into an immature juvenile and finally transforming into an adult. So, what is a juvenile stage? Yes, a juvenile is a young organism who is not yet old enough to be regarded as an adult. A life cycle can be comprised of more than three basic stages depending on the species. So now we have life cycle of fish. Like every other animal on this planet, fish also grow large enough to reproduce. Although each and every fish species has a unique method of reproduction. For generalized, we can divide the life cycle of a fish into several stages. These states are common in almost all different species of fish. So, what are the different stages in the life cycle of fish? The first stage is egg. In this stage, the embryo is formed inside the hardened egg once the egg is fertilized. Then it will start to develop organs. After this, eye spot and tails are completely developed. Out of the thousands of eggs that fish lay, only a few hundred grow into baby fish. Now, the second stage is larvae. Once the eggs are hatched, they are known as larvae. New larva has a yolk sac. This yolk sac is the source of nutrition for them. The larva can survive for 2 to 4 days by their yolk sac food supply. They can be offered a live food once their eyes and mouth are developed. Now, the fry stage. Young fish are called fry once the yolk sac is fully absorbed. In this stage, they are ready to start eating on their own. Fish go through several developmental phases. During the first few months, they are known as fry. After fry, there is a juvenile or fingerling stage. In this phase, fish acquire characteristics of an adult fish, like fins, color, body parts, etc., and they are considered as juveniles. Now, the adult stage. Once the fish matures and can reproduce and lay eggs, it becomes an adult. So, these steps constitute the life cycle of fish. Now we have a term spawning. So, what is spawning? Yes, the female fish release the eggs in water and male fish release milk that help to fertilize the eggs. The cluster of eggs of a fish is called spawn. So, this was about life cycle of a fish. Hope you all understood it. Thank you.